the time of the year now.
Look at that, guys. That is the boat that we are going to sleep on tonight. I am so excited.
Snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here.
Alright, guys. This is Queen Mary, which is the giant boat that they turn it into a hotel that we are going to sleep tonight. Alright, guys, I'll show you more when I get inside. See you. Hey guys, we checking in right now. Oh, I'm so excited. Room tour on the boat. Look at this. This is on the boat. Not big, just a really small room actually. But it's really cool. Okay, let's check out. Small area here. And check out this, guys. Whoa, the view of the city. Actually, this is still in Long Beach area actually. Yeah. We are sleeping on the boat. Look at that.
What's the name of the boat?
Oh yes, the name of the boat is Queen Mary. Yeah, Queen Mary. I love the view actually. The room itself, it is pretty small, but the view is gorgeous. Alright, we'll explore more what we can find on this boat. Oh, I found a guy. We're gonna go explore in front of the boat. Huh? That one for me? Okay, I'll take it when on the way back. Alright. Shopping on the boat. Like somewhere we can eat. Optional room. Here is part of the hotel actually. They call Queen Mary Christmas. But in order to get in there, you have to pay separate ticket. I don't know how much it is because I'm not really want to go in there. So just want to show you guys around. Yeah. Yeah. Car ice skating over there.
It's gonna climb the wall?
Yeah.
Those don't look like tacos.
So taco.
Those are very hot dog looking tacos.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh.
Down more. Yep, those are very hot dog looking tacos.
Oh. Look like hot dog to me.
Right, but it says tacos.
I see. on the boat here behind me, they have the free service for guests who stay on here. It's called 4D, which is a theater that they tell you about the documentary about this boat. Yeah, it's free to go if you would like to, but we're gonna skip it tonight because we want to see something else. If you keep going down, you can see part of the boat like this. Goodness, what are these? No idea what are these. Just the engine part. Oh my goodness. Oh. Gym area. Oh, fashion one.
What is it?
Friend Miller, let's follow me to the front of the boat. Oh, look at this, the top. Oh, this is the sample of the boat. Huh. Come to the top, you can see the view of the city. Ferris wheel over there is cool. Look how big it is. This is the inside of the boat. Wow. Look at that. We just went down to the bottom of the boat that we can see all of those engine stuff. Wow, look at this. Huh, that's crazy, huh? This is the outside look. This is cool. Okay, we're gonna walk all the way to the front of the boat right now. Yeah, look at that. They have live bird that like I hang around all around the boat to just in case maybe something happened. That's really nice and cool. Oi, what is that? Oh, there you are. Okay. Huh. Coming up. Wow, just that to control the whole boat. That's crazy. Is the first of the boat, right? Front boat, I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Wow. Right in front of the boat. Welcome to Queen Mary Hotel, which is the old boat that turned into a hotel with the best view of Long Bay. Good morning, everybody. Just want to show you guys the brief morning view from the boat. This boat called Queen Mary. which is the old boat that they stop using it and then they turn it into a hotel, which is amazing. I was really happy to stay here because it's a really good experience to see this boat. And if you look the view, you know, along the water, and the other side over there is Long Beach. It's also beautiful for the morning as well. All right, just wanna quick show you guys the view. I believe